In today's episode, I'm playing around with a little purple. So if you're interested in seeing how this all turned out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, decorating on a budget. Now today I was getting ready to do some filming, so I decided to record my makeup look. So I'm doing a very simple look, so if you're interested in seeing how I came up with my look, then you know what to do. Keep watching.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what is gonna be? Baby, water.
Never stop exploring. There's always something new at the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should lie on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Now here's my finished look, and I want to thank my lovely niece Kayla for doing my hair. I needed a new feel, I needed a refresh. Things were stressing, and she gave me a easy way to deal with what I was going through at the moment. And I'm thinking about curling the ends, so let me know what you think about that down below. And I hope you enjoyed this new look, and I'll see you in the next episode.